Emma was exhausted. Her days blurred into endless hours of scrolling through social media, answering emails, and watching shows. She often complained about not having enough time for herself, yet her phone was always in her hand. One night, as she lay in bed, staring at the harsh blue light of her screen, she saw an ad pop up. Disconnect to Reconnect, a 7-day digital detox retreat. Intrigued and frankly desperate, Emma clicked the link. The retreat promised a screen cabin in the woods, no Wi Fi. Hey everyone, are you looking to create stunning whiteboard animation videos but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional looking whiteboard animation video using Canva and a little help from AI. So let's dive in. So step number one is finding a topic with ChatGPT. Start with finding the perfect topic. For this, I recommend using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and ask for topic ideas like I did. For example, I ask for ideas and choose digital detox, how unplugging can save your time. So next, ask ChatGPT to write a short, engaging story about the topic. It will give you a detailed narrative that you can use for your animation script. Super easy, right? So step number two, once your story is ready, head over to Canva and click Create a Design. Select the video option to start your project. Now start breaking your story into scenes. Add elements, illustrations, and text to match each scene. If you can't find the right image or graphic, don't worry. Canva's magic image tool is here to save the day. So simply type in a description of what you need and Canva will generate 4 options for you. Choose the one that best matches your scene and keep building your story step by step. So, step number three, creating whiteboard animation. Once your story scenes are complete, it's time to transform them into whiteboard animations. First, download the images you want to animate in PNG format. Then go to Canva's app section and search for Speed Paint. Upload your image, set the duration and color fill time, and generate the animation. It's as simple as that. Add the generated whiteboard animation back to your design and repeat this process for each scene. So, step number four, now bring your story to life with smooth transitions and animations. Canva offers a variety of effects to make your scenes flow beautifully. So, don't forget to add a voiceover to narrate your story. Use Canva's built-in audio tools or upload your own recording. Sync your voiceover with animations for polished results. Step number five, finally, when everything looks perfect, download your video in MP4 format and just like that, your whiteboard animation video is ready to share. So that's it, folks. With Canva and a little help from AI, creating whiteboard animation videos has never been easier. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more creative tutorials. See you next time. Take care.